Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create an account in Ola app. Please download your Ola app from your Play Store and click on Ola app and click on book your ride, and please give your mobile number. Click on next. You will get an OTP to your mobile number. Please put your OTP and verify it. It has automatically taken it. So please put your full name. Okay, email ID is optional. If you want to register, you can register, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Click on register. Okay, you have been successfully created an Ola Cabs account in Ola app. Thank you.